Lithospheric family of Parrot Turtle is a marine species of Turtle family and is the smallest sea turtle. Characteristics: this turtle is a small sea turtle, reach adults at the age of 7 to 15 years with a size of 61 to 90 in length and a weight of 32 to 49 kilograms. Is characterized by the presence of fine oval carapace, head medium. When they are small, most babies are gray or black, but when they are grown, they get a greenish yellow or white color in the form of a shell and a gray-green color in the carapace. And is designed to crush. When those turtles want to hunt, they prefer deep water, where they dip to the bottom to get their food. Location: young turtles tend to live in floating areas of algae. During the first years, grow and head north of the Atlantic waters, escaping for the New Scotia to the Bermuda of the Caribbean with greater concentration in the Caribbean Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic coast of the United States. In some cases, turtles have been recorded in water of Morocco, Africa, and the Mediterranean Sea. It is distributed in waters of bays and lagoons that to the little depth it can be seen in areas with sandy bottoms and near the coast, but most live in waters near the open sea. The breeding season of these turtles from April to August. They make their nests mainly in Tamaulipas, especially Rancho Nuevo, Tepehuavos, Barra del Tordo, Mexico, or Texas, United States. Generally, indoors of eggs are incubated for 45 to 17 days. Large amount of coyote that raccoon, the crab, and seabirds that feed baby turtles heading for the first time to the sea. When they are adults, they must take care of sharks and killer whales, mainly causes of man. Currently, states of conservation of the species is critical, endangered due to the loss of its habitat, the illegal trade of eggs and meat for its consumption, climate change, and the accidental capture with fishing nets, which is one of the causes of the highest mortality rate. Due to trawling, they are caught accidentally and they return to the sea seriously injured or most ready to die. Another cause is the cause of the garbage, because human responsibility is a serious problem. Bags of plastics objects have been resistant, and the stomachs of sea turtles that are confused with food In some cases, the life of these animals is affected by oil spills and petroleum spills. How to help her? In some places, conservation activities are carried out to reduce the negative impacts and to solve some of the problems that cause the decrease of the population. For example, in Texas, they use some elements that can take measurements and blood examples that travel their state of health, as well as implant air transmitters in the samples that read their state of health, as well as important implant transmits in the shell, which are not harmful to the turtle. Elsewhere, such as the coast of Tamaulipas, 215,000 Neulora turtle hatchlings have been placed according to the Abelardo Rees, renowned fish director of the state government, who also said that the main models where the species is state government is protected were collected 324,000 eggs for their sovereignty release.